us entering into a time as a nation when, in my vision, I saw the Minister of Education, but I saw him trying to implement new strategies over the education sector. But as I was looking at it, I saw a lot of open institutions being attacked by new renovations that I saw. And when I was looking at the vision, I saw there was a time where they are going to sit the minister down, and I saw something like an attack that they launched against the minister. But the Lord spoke to me that we need to pray for the education sector of our nation, because when I was praying, seeing this vision, I saw something that happened. Like the Lord spoke to me and he said that pray for protection, pray for protection. And when I looked, I saw something like children that were coming from school, and these children, I saw a numbering something like 15. And the same thing that happened in Nigeria, this is what the Lord reminded me. I saw something like 15 children, they went missing, but they were in school uniforms. And the Lord spoke to me that this is going to be something like a relationship between the education sector and the political sector, because I saw something happening as we are moving towards the end of this year. I saw something like 15 children. That is what I saw. I saw 15 children being abducted and being taken to a place, but they were in school uniform. But the Lord spoke to me and he said that we need to pray for protection concerning our children. This is like the educational sector. That's what I saw when I was praying for the education sector of our nation. And the Lord spoke to me and he said that prayers are needed for protection, because they are going to be missing children. But I saw them in school uniform, and it is repeating again and again and again. And the vision, I saw it spanning from the month or something like September. This is where I saw the vision spanning from the month of September, October. This is where I saw the vision spanning from. And the Lord spoke to me and he said that these are children, school children that have gone missing. This is what I saw in the realms of the spirit. And the Lord spoke to me and he said that pray for the education sector, even concerning the times that are ahead of us. This is what I saw in the realms of the spirit.